Kumasi mayor. Adia we ya wuye. Wo samba abeje o kroma. On say casa elflow di ni. KMA bylaws a womb time omodi ama. Enra. There was a meeting. Na ma so tell. Na no me hu video pictures bi me be share wa ha na Zuba backstage or say na mo no adai. Mukonya we. And I'm the Zuba. Yeah, nyina no adwuma na wo ye bie na ya na ade be politician no be chief executive. Honorable wa homa no so. Na mo fa video ba ko bi nto so mame.
Na was obi frɛ wo chi ye di ka ho mo na no o se King Zuba. Say MTN soro ho no credit ya ora na ba omo no ne baller ho nsem bi e koso nyame ne ntwa ye lady be of free anope o say friend gift o say honye kora
o say honye efia na dey
o say baller no mu cars ne fa o mu do ja bi go wa mo be fa no ma sabe sise bi ego na edifo na e won ta ma ho so chi
nti eno no ye first ne dey ma me ma ne nyi saa no anoma ye honorable good morning.
Good morning.
Number 2 ho ye dey.
Yes, I don't know where na mo.
Nyame adom ye ho ye pa Evan so chia wo ene wa hye fitaa
Ma I don't know what you know that.
En na am say me ntan hu ene so nye ne krada o I am sure Amen but my started from a call about no pay MTN runabout na wo ho no an open report eba ne say efi anyhow amount for dampe refuse wo ho no ya de ha dwen pa so ho aye time pa na congestion so you say post for ho de but so na congestion wo ho no mo but ubeyi ano say one efi no ne congestion wo ho no de na mobile na betu afa ho de aboa
MTN runabout wo boom yes sir. What is happening is that the two programs be a friend Horace D.
Akoma FM 87.
Yeah, it has been like a second basis. Most parts of the central business district, ostensibly, Yampa and Jibola. But our program and boy, our program no matter those areas where that is not considered. I had designated areas for unnecessary dumping of waste. But some agreement to deal with one major word man so that they are beating the situation at the field. But that notwithstanding, the Yahoo Koko MTN runabout to also a feeding the Bray and a young my Panomo Bank, my trade for and I am Babadampi because only that there was a time in the money bar much too by 9 o'clock when I was passing around the area, they finance so what we are trying to do is that last week when they about young men in the home, I want to monetize it. The person almost has a bedima warm now almost started nipping from Ahumachi to maybe 10 o'clock so that at least a very regulated NASA at the nephew, but that don't understand that Perama was management for that for what a female will be a field.
But I empty for ya or more. I'm for complaining power. I want empty for ya no more runabout no so hono. Empty and any move on ya. Man for complaining power say,
me are complaining.
Now no ba ko ka ba ko de jamin ko aminim se video no sa video no ho a. Da ba ni a oni MTTD police personnel ba ko na wada ni bonnet so. No no so tudi ni nam culture center. Unya hu anu ho. Hey, but o fa to ayi no so na o mo Facebook me bi. Wa man so a se minim se ne cap personnel wo se tua no so won tua o. Wa man so de ni nam culture center hold na mo de ni ye ya o ni koji.
I hear almost of stories from the drivers. Also, I'm saying them no, exercise be elbow, drop off on the necessary extortions are only passengers in the frame. Or far away or not to see or they also the 5 cities or 10 cities. All that and say yes, I teach you or more the Oba KMA baby in your fight. But nobody think about almost as a man of the police for the charges. Of course, that is what they make up for. And the moment this and we are investigating those allegations to see and answer and then but I am not particularly satisfied with the Juma police follow.
Okay.
Yes, especially run about the children's hospital or and a G runabout and I've heard it said MTN runabout. I don't see why there should be police officers and not in limited numbers or sometimes 4, 5 and people will still be on the runabout and loading. I've told MTT radio commander I am minimum the call. I don't know what they go to do there because so who grew up I know that for instance children's runabout they are messy and I may come on agriculture center how many taxi trotro stations. The police had seen me and for close to 5 to 10 minutes they didn't show any interest in what I was doing. I got angry and I approached them and asked them say and then you know me say Oma will say baby I can follow you me pamo so when you need and I'm what it is your responsibility. But as they give me some funny excuses, what I've done is that immediately the regional security liaison officer coordinator Akasa and we were national security for me patrols. But I want to increase the numbers. So I have human police coordinator, but I'll use national security to do it. Because I've come to realize that it will not do it for me. I've just come to realize that the police will not do it for me. It's the national security for me. I'm sure by next week, man, they are having those deployments ready.
I see. Na say hono na make say mo buy mo de decongestion be mo clear the phone free ho especially wo
yeah clear but also trot when they watch you pay omo de ko enu baba be yeah and what should be happening is that police is one of those locations should ensure that those areas are open bar. How can the police officer be on a roundabout?
87.9 Kumasi.
But what I'm telling them is that it will be a big indictment on them if I start using national security personnel to do what MTTD and police are supposed to do. And we're going to do it because so if the police are not going to help us to regulate traffic management in the city, we use national security personnel to do it.
Wow. Now, what you see confidence in the police?
In those 3 areas, I'm not sure the police want to help me.
Why? Is it because almost benefiting from the cost of Hana?
I don't know why they are doing that, but those 3 areas, MTN runabout, Children's Hospital runabout, Confidential runabout, and Mwasema Police Force.
Na ma hu video bi mbacha mo fanto so mame na o drive video I direct to traffic watch the top blue na where you glasses share oboso sa and o direct to traffic me yes sure say na cry we go abrantie na o video no na o hwe o share one corner baby no obo this hey Kumasi mayor no Kinzuba and order to traffic. Dabeni enra na dabeno no.
So what happened was that there's a particular station Biamizamu got the Chimani all those areas are. So Ufi MTN runabout and also call in Broma. Maybe I'm former chief of staff Emma Nufi Hopa, you almost feel one. And then kind of Dr. Randolph one.
Yeah.
Omo station no eti ma ko be de banga akwa agenda me am e ma di no akoti sare no eti ye koti sare no but I realized that there were a lot of people la omo di traffic so and any more for no omo park omo ko omo park so I decided to clear it.
Wow.
And in clearing it, one thing is go for a business or commerce, time look at time every warm. They must have free movement so that over time is money. So that's how much I was calling for urban guards to come to those locations because we had not done any deployment in 2 locations. And I was calling for urban guards to come to those locations, but That means me could do a situation. Need to be down. Emma and the urban guards will come. I have to do Ejumano. And the urban guards nobody will leave me, and I'm sure I'm going to be your Ejuma.
And then for how long now was spending under the sun?
I think I spent close to like 1 hour.
Hey! 1 hour and yeah, KMA mayor. What there to traffic?
We should have my situation. We should have deployed men there. What I say? It is the deployment men. I'm corner additional mesumo mono. Almost a way anymore. Mina Casum. Sorry, I'm out for the man of my comfort. It is the ever for what told me. I may do a number of family about.
Wow. Could see Sena. Now, police phone that guards need be new as our area.
No. It's later on urban guards for me and somebody. My own baby leave him in a
and for monitoring this area working because say they're working. Who free one is almost 7 years. How consistent and I be monitor that area and I say illegal activities.
Yesterday. Me radio security coordinator and I'm asking for 10 more extra national security operatives. In addition to the one that I 10 more extra numbers. In next week, I might request for additional military. We'll see how we do that.
Military.
I already have some military officers attached to me to KMA. I might increase the number.
And are you also a defense ministry? So I say, almost withdraw military for minimum. Whether says I communicate when you be a.
Oh no, don't move.
Almost withdraw, almost protection. Almost they are, I mean, state appointees me are they
are not providing protection for me. It is God who protects me. This is a different thing. This one they are attached to the KMA. And it is all like I came to meet. I inherited it. We are part of the security management team of KM. And for appointees, I agree with a lot of them. We are busy with them for the because it is the back. They are busy on myself. That one I agree, but this is a different thing for people protecting appointees.
I see. Not for the cameras, not for the optics. Say, Kizuba per se, Uncle now, yeah, Juman na.
I've done a lot of field work. Between last Thursday and now. I have been on the field between Thursday, Friday. I spent like 4 hours within KJPR. I have people with cameras. If I am interested in picture track, well, if you have studied me, picture track. People tell me, oh, if I go to Twitter for you, I don't do that. I'm not interested. But I'm not an active social media person, so I'm not interested in optics. They always want my job to speak for me. The kind of job I make for you, PGT Friday, it will be anchored the camera business. I'm not interested in what the camera captures.
Now, yes, I understand. I understand your point.
And once they get satisfied, I'm okay. I'm not interested in what camera captures.
I see. What last thing maybe a bear number jam or Enra. I understand, sir. Bushia towing service operators. Kumasi.
Yeah.
And key among issues, I'm share harassment and long vehicle offloading goods within restricted hours. Any other fire from Kakra.
Okay.
Sa komodie na be relevant say we share mo na no mudin komona the frame mu buy so no o boy kakra na bia your questions ma komienu bia na ebisa.
Okay, so what is happening is that on street parking they provide spaces and the amount 1 year or bedroom no better idea. Now oba no about parking or no atona there na o tiasika no ko. But yeah, come say see a baby I hear spaces for all street parking in a permanent parking spaces for shop owners. Baby, I'll be do crano. Baby, I'm making some caca, major, no bit one, you'll be to the no. Baby, I'll be do no visual, Yasa line. No, in the store, no more baba before. Because I was with Jessica, and I'm more effort. Baby, so ever, the car, no, I don't in the store. Ọbẹ̀pà kí wọ̀ hɔ a na wọ̀nyí nà ọmọ gùn náà ọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n di ẹ̀wọ́pà ẹ̀nẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀ akọ within shop n'anim ẹ̀wọ̀ yìí ní prudential hall ọ̀bọ̀ ho car orange bi hɔ for the last 4 years into that store ẹ̀bá sa a defeating purpose ní nyinaa na ama wọ́n yà yẹ spaces ní mu a wọ́n sẹ́ ọmọ nfa mbra kurom no ọba a wọ́n nyẹ bẹ̀ẹ̀bi ntina. Now, Paki Kwanka creating no Kwakotadia within 5 to 20 minutes over the clamping. Always the questions are do we are almost in independent Akasa. But KMA is a service provider. What does this? And even when Enkofonia Sobono Omoko Ronga, I don't want to be using I don't want for us to be using abusive language. But sometimes the complaints are cast on independent because Ubikuta, to say, Oba, Okutakwa, 3, 4, 5 months, 8 months, baby. What I say, and Obeta, there, you not even be considerate. Near Tonica, they have ABC, KMA, and for me, it looks to me as if they are interested in making money other than serving the welfare and the well-being of the people. And I met them and told them the one. Even if the person is wrong, Kasa, I am going to walk Kumasi Kasa, Champion, no Muto, it must be measured and it must be service oriented.
Oh, okay. Now on a time.
And then two, I don't see why Obi Jina be Koto idea to say, if you can bush up or they call as a house. Omo mutunto computers the laptops obi koto laptop ha efa pan of pack original work say be 10 minutes and be campaign. So I said I don't want that situation. Obi enu ha obedum obeta dey also do more than 1 hour. Obi park baby kaka na enye say e create traffic dey our parking and create traffic bia within 30 minutes. I don't see why the car should be clamped.
How are they going to monitor any pay on spending? Indeed, it's 1 hour, 2 hours.
Indeed, when you are based on the clamp, like no 30 minutes.
Hey, and so that means that more personal I'm doing a because if we are to monitor KBS for unless maybe also watching the details say by that time that's all my
Sir John Unim KMA if someone call for and the class said 10 call for what is happening?
Matuasi. I know there. Na me concern is here na afi yes na o ma be doso na o me one up.
Masama me can say. Ni pan pa baby our parking. Wa park kwa nche. One car in creative congestion bia and the operational word is can see one in creative congestion. Congestion na yebe. Me boa. Car is in creative congestion bia or about within 1 hour 30 minutes. Why the haste to clamp it? But Uber do baby. Na car kesiye ya shada the clamp kwa kusio. Le Janice you was or floating normal. Why are we not interested in towing those ones? Especially when it is at a period when they are not allowed to do offloading.
Okay.
What's the point of it? We must build a country where fairness prevails. Fairness. Yamani Nyejuma. and di no krama ye.
I get you. On offloading the no. Offloading the no. What's it between 9 and 5 p.m.?
Then 5 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah.
Enu kwasi ehun say car bi abe do.
But that one no kwa no man said that the clamp show nti as ya clamp no. You ta hoko.
Hey. Sir. That's how much no so no. Na oye na adwuma. Is that the case?
Sure, Baba. Over 10 says yababe too. I don't have that kind of situation. 2. There are some 3 areas in Bioha. If you can say taxi and total stations, and we do. The first one, Kuvo Clinic anymore. Or a hospital, and it's virtually like the only hospital within a Duma minimum. And the Kumasi will be able to do emergency MPBB and found so the more said that is where we should take the patient. But we will do that's what when I am. So you can't even access the hospital. In the Makato was a moon to a munko to over. Omo baby I am munko to again. War Nkani Whitechapel no more. Nkani SD Cam Tony Sprite no more. Hello.
Ken. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What metonka o? I'm going for it. Sao. You know, I'm going to Kroma. Sa. On come, I had another thing, so be.